Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform the dock tray self-cleaning on the ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, click on dock right here, then go to dock settings and click on more. Now you'll find dock maintenance and you'll find self-cleaning for cleaning tray. You can start that. In my case it won't work because I don't have water in the clean water tank, but it would basically start cleaning the dock automatically to remove dirt from the tray. But you can also clean it manually by taking that tray out of the dock. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.